Honorable Sammy Gyamfi and Mama Agradaa still na omuguso a omu trending Ghana for no bi kasa na mpempre nipa wakasa amana ye nipa dodo na ahudwiri eye NPPs eye aboa papon I Eii Owusu Bempa ebusia message a wa drop no Ghana for say eba ne say
ye musa ye ho Jesus Christ ebra man no koye yi no omu fo aba so omu koto abodo no wose mumu hwan na onye bone da onto bo mo ba no people ebinu ye nyimkofo mo ye party bo mo tam $50,000 to bomb behind the scenes. Stop talking about it. Stop talking about it.
And I Ghana for say na enya boa papuina few years ago on Sammy Gyamfi ekonya clash e wo UTV. Omomienu omani nhia o abusia but empanyin say de ade da no wan fan 2 ya efri to. Nyame ekan se mesoma me honhom na wadi monim na waye mo kasamafo. Eti sabre de Eii Owusu Bempa kasa edema Yera Sammy Gyamfi se NPP fo nya de omuye no se my press conference se omunye na djuma free ni nsem ene me NPP ni de me ye deputy communications director lenso so menti ase ebusia Mogabe enso afire from TVSYZ me wuram na wate ni nyida ase eye Eii Owusu free free so be kire wadwen afa video ho no wi a bamode mpa se wo be share amanu abinsa etumi aka meka for time eba mesha e de amount se eye duru a ebeboa etu malaria na se na oho eye woden no na wutumi edidi ama bibia no etimi aye kama ba bia ton wadro bia no obenya bia to na bibia no etimi aye kama etimi ma update every Saturday Sunday Monday edi be si next Tuesday di obia eka efa dollar keke Honorable Sammy Gyamfi edi ko che Agradaa ema enu akra no meka che o se Agradaa say Ghana for ya obeshe na sorry.
You want to sacrifice Sammy Gyamfi. You want to use my name to sacrifice Sammy Gyamfi because of his position. Mi donyame kameshema solidain. Na kanyami ni wiase. Na kanyami ni ho. Kameshema solidain. Ama nyami ote suro boss ase. Sa otiasi ampa. Sa meme maya doye B0re. Sammy Maya adoye.
Ebusanti semi ena Eii Owusu Bempa Exp0ses yemanen kabi yemanen kasa na ebusia wa fire.
Sammy me ba Sammy Gyamfi we are looking at him with an eagle eye. Mumie nyina yenye careful na asema me kan muntie ni. He went on a private mission.
Exactly.
He went out there me nim kwaso ni Magraheb no da.
Also nim no da. First time on my
na wayi sika afri ne ka mu no wakan no de ama no ye musa ye ho Jesus Christ ebra man no koye yi no omo fo aba so omo koto abodo no wose mumu hwan na onye bone da onto bo mo ba no people ebinu ye nyimkofo mo ye party bo mo tam $50,000 to bomb behind the scenes. Stop talking about it. Stop talking about it.
MPP,
my brother, we will not support this. My friend, I didn't. He who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Me, I will say it, and I don't care who owns his dog. Way is dead on arrival.
Sammy Gyamfi
is dead on arrival. It's dead on arrival. Nobody has the moral right to attack that young man. Me first person. I'm Sammy Gyamfi on UTV. I hate a brand to me. No, and exchanges grammar, blows. I'm telling you, that gentleman will be any will be to me attacking on this particular matter. I'm telling you,
public official,
evidence is so real. Who evidence? Bring it out. Let the special prosecutor deal with him. Young man, Sammy Gyamfi too. More Brakrano, $10,000 on yabi. What are you talking? $10,000, I say. More Brakrano on your Sammy Gyamfi can have $10,000. What are you talking about? Nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. Nobody should go and attack the gentleman. There's nothing wrong. And I'll say it. Nothing wrong. And I will say it anywhere. There's nothing wrong.
On say, you see, idea ba kwa ya na
politics politics. You're careful. You're careful where we want to trade on. Gold board documents kese bi apio ho. Se sika bi ayira. Budget no almost about 50,000 euros. Ayira ma gold bi akopie baby. And we sika wa bontin. That is a lead. That is a lead. Sammy Gyamfi what one here in adwuma.
minim na yira dwuma
and that be two person kire say jai
minim na yira dwuma
mamon ko that be me ka asem a ye presidential candidate Kenya Japan Kenya Japan ordene ho o chesika man krofo o hwe nkofo school fees na da bi wa be president na obi aba ho na oyi sika ma obi na obi akotwa na o de aba be yi we have to stop it right there. Stop it right there. Let's find an empirical evidence. Say akwano young man will real dream ewo baby no. What are you talking about? Munya we are hoya me hoya be say me support.
Debbie,
why a young man atie or a young man wa di Muhammad chia bre and people want to vilify him to get his job out of him. No media obi koswa ya me de young men in whole country ano eyi wa apologize wa who said the youthful exuberance no in the full glare of the general public in our culture maybe it's not good. We can vilify him on that grounds, but not
and that's what we are talking about.
Well, but we shouldn't take it to that level. See,
but what is the chief of staff?
Sammy Gyamfi join chief of staff. We need the M1. It's not going to help. Let the young man enjoy whatever. Let him enjoy.
What is President Mahama
code of ethics? Have you read the code of ethics?
Or say,
is there any proof to be a chile said yes, Sammy Gyamfi and it's against the code of ethics? Tell me, and I'll tell you.
Now, Obia, you say, men Jessica crown nebo ebedu 20,000 as gift.
There be no GBB or J and
now say what me kwa BB sana.
Now maybe we say a question say Sammy Gyamfi 2% chest onya 10,000 Ghana cedis and 20 Ghana 20,000. What are you talking about? Ye Jenica, go and check his salary. Nyoma ye the man on it, Nyoma onyao. And why ye politics what dear chila kwa beya a bunch of little TV so anya Land Cruiser no use Land Cruiser back we say or to opposition about no Land Cruiser they buy. Menena ko radio so be 10,000 use Land Cruiser. What are you talking about? President Mama on share onya djuma kwa President Mama to come $10,000 man. What are we talking about here? My brother, mummy nyai sa de no. Mummy nyai emwa abrantie no wa bresa oppositions afi na wa benya ba bi ahia. Say bi obesan kwan kakra ma na busuafo so a benefit. Yenko ehoye akunsun ni eyinti wakasa ti ankrofo yes on corruption base, and I agree on those people who think they can go, but it hasn't got to that level.
Yes, sisi adapa de buy obi a hu say sisi adapa ko wieska, but the way you can
compare oranges with apples.
And they say
here is a case where a minister of state sika bebre asho no akọ report to police na police case abam na ye kana evidence abana special prosecutor abam na be public domain ye kan say it's a different thing altogether. Don't compare oranges to apples. There's a difference. Na Sammy Gyamfi sika she nem pass e no no aso obi awia e akọ report to no che sika o ti ase there we have an issue. Special prosecutor comes in, gold board, the amount so say, that amount of money in the cross watch $10,000, $20,000, my brother Fatun chain. A new issue. It's not an issue. That boy can add a minute of plane, minute new hopes in Adoye, you call UN General Assembly. You're full opposition time, not the business class. Now you're at the economy. What are you talking about? What near the economy? What bam? Oh, your lawyer. Not yet the economy, not the business class. What are you talking about? Business class, I say. Bro, to me, I think me Ubusana as a political strategist, this is a dead on arrival. And we cannot capitalize on this to score political points. Oh, party move dere. Now no mimi abronya own things some of country Africa and Japan wa. Yet me and no you can't want one baby be kwa wi. Jai, young ko. Yen deal with internal matters. We solve your problems. You want to say some more Casanti. Your friend who just so hand time fear. Me say, one just so hand time fear. Kobisa Santini be or Titri. No one chair was yes, and me, Owusu Bempa, my better to say, as someone you could do Sammy Gyamfi as a way you told you who your friend who just so hand time fear. If you knew it, oh sorry, Babeka, so be Jay. If you knew you, by a simple unity in Timamonka. Unity, necessary, Yankasa, necessary, Mintiazi. Now,
I was not in Sammy and I Ghana for no say, Ayo pass, eh, na, ye probia manakabi, Ediama, or almost Sammy Gyamfi, Nanke, Ernest Owusu Bempa. Ebusia, a surprising crop for. My name is also a surprising one. It's Mogabe of TV SYZ Exp0ses NPP.
Tiana minority for mu de muasem. Fire them without fear or favor. I will continue to shake the foundation. No more minority for no more. Have you accounted for Palugu Dam? When Baumia was sitting on a year Asempa FM with Obi. Say, Palugu Dam there, and only project here. You could not then part to a better meeting, say, the NPP in a 12 million US gone waste. Today you have the audacity to go and organize a press conference minority. Useless minority. Useless minority. You have the audacity to go there and do what? Press conference for what? Only useless people who don't have time will get time and listen to you. Useless people in opposition. You'll be there forever. You'll be there forever. Minority says what? Minority for no PDS under the useless former vice president Musupa this guy Ghanaians to Tiamamu over 8 months but me account to Sikan was a Ghana Yenya as on my 190 million US gone waste. US for say we are not ready to continue again. Today that useless people don't have the audacity to go and organize a press conference. Do we live in Jupiter or Mars? Unless I leave the media space, MPP, unless I leave the media space, the likes of Katache and Kono, we are small NATO in the media fraternity. Look at my platform. Katache and we are small boys in the media fraternity. He himself, he knows it. That what? Yeah, David, so be I actually be there. Wa ma bribe. Wa receive bribe. Ba atade no odiama. Entimi meti ai. Sa mama appointment. Na me Mogabe me komi kurom subiri so. Na me ko donate $1,000 so mo fa nya bibi mo obi a. Me ba ba mu na bia me wo me fie dada wo. Me ka me issue ni me wo dada. Me wo me dollar account dada. Me wo pounds account dada. Me wo me cedi account dada. Me timi nkona me nyi scam fa nche obi ana. I just want to know. Yes. I'm not here to defend Sammy Gyamfi. But let's be reflective. What Sammy did, I'm not here to defend him at all. But he's a young man. Very young man. Oba wane no te hin. Sammy ba wane no te hin. No te airport hills. And oba wane and today people are talking about Lexus. What is the difference between Land Cruiser V8 and Lexus? Yes, the angels are working. Tell me, Sammy Gyamfi and Sana Jomama about Pantino. So what they saying? See you, artist you from a gold board. No way, why? Who are a lawyer? Mimitia as Mogabe. There wasn't me nyame. So Jomama will be no the mamia. Me take me less than 24 hours for me to declare my asset. Me ba 13 years old boy gosen. I don't need to go and look elsewhere. I go to Kumasi, I know what I have. I go to Subisu, I know what I have. I come to Accra, I know what I have. Finish, I finito. Finish. And you people out there, want to be declare my asset for 8 years. More no see the Bekasa Ogana. Mumpimla Montana Mepemo. Mumpimla Confrontation Mwana no Dimoti. Yana Kotamina Trea, Neba and the manager a year and Mokana saying duty free hono. Useless ones come.
Yebeka so Eddie Chile, fire be a bebe piano, Meboano Sabede. Na me abetna ha achechiri machre na wonso so wahu se eye bone se onomo Sammy Gyamfi eche mama patika e wo bedwam ana se enye bone ana na eye kukuom na mbom cameraman ni mum e na ema no eliki ya feel free se wo be kire wadwen e wo comment section no bia bomade mpa se wo be share amanu abisa etumi aka aha eye AJ gossips medin e di AJ background.